Another story that we're tracking closely this morning is of Bollywood's first family being hit by contagious coronavirus. Megastar Amitabh Bachchan, his son Abhishek have tested positive. They have mild symptoms is what we've in fact picked up. On the other hand, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and her daughter Aradhya have also tested positive for coronavirus. They are asymptomatic and hence have been quarantined at home. Big B has been tweeting constantly. This time he's extended his love and gratitude to all those fans who wished him and his family a speedy recovery from the virus.
Bollywood's first family battling COVID. Shahanshah Amitabh Bachchan along with son Abhishek tested positive for COVID-19 on Saturday. The father-son duo took rapid antigen tests for coronavirus after showing mild symptoms. They were later admitted to Mumbai's COVID-dedicated Nanavati Hospital. According to the hospital authorities, 77-year-old senior Bachchan's condition is stable, adding that Big B is currently in the isolation unit and he will keep updating people about his condition via Twitter. Other members of the Bachchan family, Aishwarya Rai and her daughter Aradhya Bachchan, have also tested positive for coronavirus. Both are asymptomatic and will be self-isolating at home. Jaya Bachchan and Shweta Nanda are negative. The 77-year-old is vulnerable since he has comorbidities and has survived hepatitis B infection and has impaired liver function. Abhishek Bachchan's co-star in the newly launched web series Breathe Into the Shadows, Amit Saad will get himself tested as he was present with Junior Bachchan in the studio for dubbing.
So we got contact from dubbing studio also. My entire team is there reaching at dubbing studio to scrutinize and get contact history from there.
So sanitization of that place and getting contact?
Yeah. We did all places sanitization as well as screening, thermal screening, SpO2 screening. That we took.
Hours after testing positive for coronavirus, Amitabh Bachchan's Jalsa residence was declared a containment zone by Mumbai Civic Body. Massive sanitization drive was carried out at the Bachchan's Juhu bungalow.
हम तीनों बंगले उनके प्रतीक्षा जनक और जानकी देना एक एक करके सैनिटाइज करेंगे आज.
BMC or the municipal corporation personnel have come in dressed in PPE kits, who have come here to sanitize the entire residence, not only Jalsa. It's important to note that, even their office, Janak, which is right behind this bungalow, as well as their other bungalow, that is Pratiksha, will also be sanitized by the BMC.
Fans across the nation are praying and performing pujas for the actors. Messages also poured in for the Bachchans from celebrities, politicians and sports personalities.
हमारे प्यारे महानायक को भगवान उनको बहुत अच्छी तबीयत कर दे और हमारे बीच में हमेशा कायम रखे. जय हो.
हमारी इन दोनों के लिए भी विशेष रूप से प्रार्थना है. आज सुबह भी मैंने उनके संबंधित डॉक्टर से बात की है और उसने मुझे बताया कि दोनों अस्पताल में स्टेबल हैं, उनकी तबीयत ठीक है.
As the much-loved star battles the infection, a billion wishes for a speedy recovery. Bureau Report, India Today.
Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live this morning from the Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai, which is where Amitabh Bachchan currently is. Pankaj, good morning. We've seen Amitabh Bachchan constantly tweeting out updates, thanking his fans for all the support that he's received, all the love and all the wishes that have been pouring in from across the country. Any update also with regards to his health?
Good morning, Akshata. Well, as far as the hospital administration here in Nanavati is concerned, they maintain that they have been requested by the Bachchans not to let out any health bulletins as such. So the administration here maintains it's only the family that will be letting out the details as and when they have to. Now we've seen how Big B is still active on social media, even from the isolation ward. That's of course much to the delight of the fans, to whom he's expressed his gratitude late last night. saying that he might not be personally able to reply to everyone, but he said he expresses his gratitude to all those well-wishers and his fans as well. We are given to understand that today he, along with Junior Bachchan, might undergo yet another test as to ascertain the present health. But late last night, my sources in the hospital said that both Big B and Junior Bachchan were doing fine. They were responding well to the treatment as well and the care that was given to them. So the condition and the statement remains the same as it was yesterday. They are stable with mild symptoms.
Okay, Pankaj, thank you for getting us those updates. We'll keep coming to you for all the latest on Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan's health at this point. We also know that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Aradhya have tested positive, but they are asymptomatic and are quarantined at home.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.